Ricardo, the Caribbean Gateway Show. Is amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes. Anyway, on Caribbean Gateway Show today, we want to do you a red wine steak. Very easy and simple, and we're going to take it away just like this. First of all, I must say I have roughly about quarter, not too much red wine, roughly about 7 tablespoons of red wine, not a lot. We got some beef season right here, we got pepper, and we got bits and pieces. We're gonna go straight through it. All right, first thing, wash off your steak. That's one of the first thing you want to do. We're gonna serve it with some new potato and some green beans, some green vegetables. All right, first thing we want to do is get your garlic crusher, and we're going to crush at least 3 cloves of garlic. Let's get more in it, because the more garlic is the better for it. All right, guys. Yeah. All right. So that's the garlic right there. We're gonna crush another one. Nice one, lovely. So that's the garlic right here. 3 cloves of garlic. That's supposed to bring in a lovely flavor to the steak. All right, that's finished. And what we're going to do, we're going to put roughly about a teaspoon of the beef season. Get it to the other side. That's a teaspoon, not a tablespoon, guys. All right. Second thing, I have some fresh thyme. I'm just gonna just simply break up the thyme and put it on it just like this. In the meantime, I have a medium-sized pan. As you can see, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna turn on my stove, make it go and get warm, and I'm gonna pop roughly about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or olive oil, whatever oil I like to use in it is good to go. All right, so pot is on the stove, ready to go. Spring onion is a must. Lovely. White onion is a must. You can use red onion if you like, but I got white onion. I'm just gonna use this one. Put that one side. Then we got some cracked pepper. Very easy recipe. Salt. And I'm using the old good sea salt. Nice and lovely. Let's put a little bit more pepper on this side. Nice. Second thing, what we're going to do is put on the gloves and rub it up just like this. All right. Make sure when you wash off your steak, you'll get all of the garlic rubbing it just like this, washed off, and just marinate it just like this. So simple piece of steak. Look at it, lovely and nice. I love steak. And look at this now. You hear that frying? Nice and lovely. So that's the frying on a medium-sized heat at the moment. I have it. So what we're going to do, we're just going to allow this fire to fry for roughly about 6 to 7 minutes, and we're just going to pop in the rest of the vegetables in it like this, and we're going to fry this roughly about 6 to 7 minutes on both sides. All right, guys, so it's gonna be fantastic, lovely. So basically, as you can see right here, steak is cooking up. You can see me that nice, lovely set. Oh my God. You see, this is exactly what we are looking for. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn it over to the other side, and then we're gonna get the other side to cook. So it's going to be amazing recipe. It's gonna be lovely. And honestly, the texture and the taste, the garlic is cooking down. Nice and lovely. See this, guys? Look at that. Lovely and nice. And what I'm going to do is pour this red wine on it like this. So I'm going to allow that for it to just cook down with the red wine. And then in the meantime, I'm going to be serving up my new potato, my vegetable, on the plate and make it look really nice and lovely. So As you can see, it's cooking down now. So you can smell the flavor from the red bliss. So what I'm gonna do is turn off my stove. After I turn off my stove, what I'm going to do, I'm gonna simply put it on my cutting board right here. And I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna simply cut it into about 3 pieces. Very, very nice and lovely. Alright, so this is exactly what you're looking for. See that nice, lovely color? Yeah, that's exactly what we're looking for, guys. It's amazing. And I know you guys definitely will love this one, honestly. And this is the onion and everything, which just cook up a while, just cook up with it. So it's gonna be an amazing one. Look at that, really nice. Really amazing, right here. The beauty is that it came out lovely and nice, and that's exactly what I'm looking for. Take a good look at this. It's a simple little dish. Red wine steak, green vegetable, and new potato. So basically your diet is definitely balanced. Anyway, you check it out, because they got the vegetable in the middle and the steak on there and the new potato. Anyway, guys, this is all we do it on the Caribbean Gateway Show. We got a lot more recipe coming up. We got a lot more ideas. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Show. And listen, stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and Google Plus me and get your favorite recipe. My name is Chef Ricardo, and you stay right there on Caribbean Gateway Show.